Your video did not flop. Your title and thumbnail did. They are bad. They are terrible. See, I didn't even see about your title and thumbnail. They are horrible. Yes. But what if I told you that? What if instead of guessing, you can let YouTube test 3 title and 3 thumbnail and automatically choose the one that gets more clicks? Yes. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple title and thumbnail to one YouTube video, so the algorithm works for you, not against you. And I will not stop there alone. I will first of all teach you how to create top scrolling thumbnail or very catchy YouTube thumbnail in 3 different ways. Number 1, I'm teaching with ChatGPT, and number 2, I'm teaching with Canva, and number 3, I'm also teaching with CapCut. No complicated tools, no confusing theory, just practical step every creator needs in this 2026, or that needs in YouTube. If you want more views without uploading more video, this video is for you. So let's start. So first, go to your phone browser and search for studio.youtube.com. Click on the first one. This is how I use our browser is that the application does not have this feature at all. The application itself allows to set 1 picture and 1 thumbnail. Yes, that's how I'm using the browser. So after I open, this is how the home page looks like. It will be displaying one of my sites. Please ignore the background. I'm using the outside of my house. My little light is off. It went off during my recording of my last video. I'll show it up here. So after it opened, this is the home page. Yes, then click on what? Content. Pick any video of your choice. You understand? Pick any video of your choice. Let me use a video that is already public. Can you see some of them? Because some of them already have A/B testing. That is what it is called. It is called what? A/B testing. So I'm trying to look for video that does not have it. You understand? Let me look for video that does not have it. So let me quickly look for a video that does not have this A/B testing. You understand? Okay, let me use this video. Why posting bad video will blow up your small channel. I posted the video before. You understand? And does not have A/B testing. So I'll just click on it. So you see, turn it up. I'll click on what? A/B testing. So this is where we use 3 thumbnail and 3 title. You understand? So let's quickly create our title and our thumbnail. But before then, let me quickly copy this first title first. You understand? So now let's create our what? Thumbnail. I've copied the title, so now let's create our thumbnail. So let's start with number 1. I'll teach you how to create what with ChatGPT. Yes. So first, go to your Play Store, you search for ChatGPT, install it. That's if you don't have it. But if you have it, let us go and open it direct. But if you don't have it, go and direct to Play Store. So I don't need to go out, so I just have to what? To go open, because I already have to my phone. I don't need to download it. So when you open it, you can either log into your Gmail. Those ones is person that now, but we have to, so let's keep all those parts. The first what? Paste the title and thumbnail. And I write, give me what? Title, good title and thumbnail idea. You understand? That is very, very catchy, that makes sense, that is nice. Let me just write, give me very, very catchy title and thumbnail, and I'll send it to ChatGPT. Can you see it's giving me? Can you see it's giving me title idea? It's giving me thumbnail idea too. So the next step is what? Create YouTube thumbnail itself. So you click on the photo icon. Pick photos. Then quickly look for the photo that I want to use. Okay. Let me use this picture. You allow it to load. Then type this prompt. Create a high quality YouTube thumbnail. Or just write create a good thumbnail, or create a YouTube thumbnail 16:9 ratio. I'll put it on the descriptions or the prompt in the comment section or in my description, any of the two. So you send it, then what? It will respond, start getting started, creating image, stuff like this. Are you seeing it? It should not take up to 10 minutes. So you will see, just make sure that you have to create a high quality thumbnail. The prompt will be in the comment section. It depends on your network. You understand? Why is creating? Do me a favor by what? Hitting the subscribe button, like this video, turn on notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And do me a favor by what? Commenting if you are lost or confused. Comment, let me know if you are following up. As it's creating, comment to know if you are following up. So let me know if you are following up. You understand? So after it's done creating, you get notified up of your notification side, and if you don't get notified, you go back to ChatGPT to check it. You understand? So can you see the thumbnail? Do you see how catchy, how nice it is, how lovely it is? Can you see it? So what? You save it to your phone. So now let's create the what? This second thumbnail. So now let's create the what? Second thumbnail, which is what? I'll teach you how to create thumbnail with Canva. Canva. The first is to what? To take posts either before or during or after filming your video. You take posts or screenshot it during your editing. Screenshot your post that you want. Make something like this. Or mix mixes for thumbnail, like maybe 5 or 4. Something like this. See myself, I'll show it to myself. Thumbnail ideas, thumbnail pictures. You'll be appearing my site, something like this in the end of my site. For instance, the picture that is for my thumbnail to be appearing in my site. Something like that I show in my site. Then head over to your Play Store to download Canva. Just look at my site. So let me clear it for you because I've installed Canva before, but I want to install it because of this tutorial. So you download it, you sign up if you don't have an account. But if you do, log in. You are going to sign up to understand. So I'll just do what? I'll just log in. Installing Canva, shooting page. So after that, you head over to your browser. Any browser of your choice. It can be Chrome, Safari, Opera Mini, any browser that you like, and search for remove.bg. Yes, remove background, that's the full meaning. When it's load, upload your image and wait for it to remove the background. I can also use Photoshop, but best is just to use remove BG. Click on download. It does not take time, you understand? It's being previewed. It downloads very fast, depending on the network. Let me quickly do that. So it depends on your network, but remove BG does not take time. So after that, you head over to your Canva, the one we just downloaded. Let me open mine. Just look at my site. I want you to know Canva has already made template. And another thing about Canva is it is used for so many reasons. It's not for only YouTube thumbnail. It's also used for videos, mobile videos, Insta posts, Instagram story. Just looking at it. It has so many nice wallpapers. It has so many logos, presentation, poster, document, resume, many more. You can check that yourself. But we are here for YouTube thumbnail. We are not here for all those other things. Yes, that. We are here for YouTube thumbnail. So you don't have to check yourself too much and start from scratch. All you have to do is go to your search icon, look for YouTube thumbnail. When it's low, some of them are free, while some of them are paid. But we are going to search for the one that is free, because there are plenty thumbnails there. So let me scroll down and find the one that I like. So let's pick this one. So what? We'll change the picture, because this is not a picture. This is not the picture that we want. So when we pick the picture, it load. We click on replace. Then we see picture. I will just download it. I will just remove the background. Pick it to be added automatically. We shall shift it to fit well. Just look at my site. The next one is to edit the text, because we can't use the text that is there. We do what? By clicking on the word, press edit and put whatever words we want. Do you understand? Or better say, head over to ChatGPT and pick on the idea that I suggested earlier. Just look at myself, let me doing it. Can you see it? Now we are done creating a very easy and catchy YouTube thumbnail. Do you understand? So what we do now is what? We download it or save it to our phone. So while it's downloading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this, and turn on the notification bell. I also put that thing. After it has been downloaded, we have created what? 2 thumbnails. I think that is 2 different thumbnails. 2 thumbnails. See the 2. I'll show it in the 2 side. Number 3, I'll be teaching you how to create thumbnail with CapCut. So we'll be needing 2 things. First, we will need the background for the thumbnail. Yes. And the second, we'll be needing the picture. And how do we get the background for the thumbnail? We go to our browser. Note, you can use any browser of your choice, but I always recommend that you use Chrome or use your internet browser. And so head over to your browser, search for freepik.com. This thing, see it. I will write this thing on the screen. It should take maybe 1 to 2 minutes for it to load. Type Crazy Studio, but anyone like, just make sure that you type Crazy Studio background, so you get nice background. So scroll to the one that it really makes sense to you, that you like so much. You understand? Hey, after I've got what you want, you download it. After it has been downloaded, we are done with downloading the background. Now the next step is important because it is what defines the thumbnail. It's what we call image. And now that I've gotten the background, we want to use for thumbnail. We now can use the image. Do you know that all images have background? So we don't need to remove this image background in remove BG that we used the other time. So if you have image already, you can use it, and you don't have to take a screenshot from your videos. Yes. Do you understand? Can use remove BG if you want to remove the background, but if you don't want to use remove BG. But since now CapCut we won't use, we will not need to go to remove BG. So let's create the thumbnail. Head over to your CapCut application. In case you did not get any of the 2 websites I mentioned earlier, I'll put the link in the description, or I'll put it in the comment section. You understand? So after you open CapCut, click on new project, pick the video, pick the picture. So just look at my side, you pick the download background first. After I've had it, when it opens, click on aspect ratio, click on 16 by 9, which is what YouTube standard. Edit it well, expand it a little more. I'll be telling you the reason later, I hope you are learning from the videos. Don't look at my side. Don't look at my side. And in case you are confused, just ask me any question. Ask me question in the comment section. Next to what? Add our picture. We'll remove the background. You click on overlay. Remove the background. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. I hope you are looking at what I'm doing, Sha. Let me try to. After click on overlay, pick the picture, then click on remove BG. Click on to remover. Just look at my side. When done, align it to match the background. Then set the picture well so it will make sense. I said I'm saying picture. I see everything. I see my side. When done, save it. Then click on test. Add test like the thumbnail you want to use. You understand? You can go back to ChatGPT to pick one of the idea that ChatGPT has given us before. You understand? Just look at me creating it too. You guys provide it for your thumbnail so it make more sense. You can change the text, you can give it anything. So you blur the background. Click on effect, swipe to the right, pick lens, click on blur. You understand? Pick lens, make it blur, set the blur. After, make sure you expand it to the end too, to where you have got it to. Just look at me creating my thumbnail, sha. Just look at me creating my thumbnail. Did you see we have gotten our nice thumbnail? Then scroll a little to where it is blue and set it well. Then screenshot it. That is what you want. Can you see? The reason that I say you should increase is because so that watermark of CapCut watermark is not going to show. Or better still, you can go and off it up, go and off it. Or top, click on hidden. Share your time, you can click on hidden, click on hidden. Look at my side. The reason I'm saying look at my side is because I might not really be saying what is appearing at the side, but you should be able to understand with the visual setting. So we are able to get in third thumbnail already. So next is to put it together in our video. So let's head over back to our studio.youtube.com. That means we'll go to our browser. Go to browser, click on studio.youtube.com and go there. Now let's fix our new 3 thumbnail from Canva and title together. So what? You click on the thumbnail, put the title, click on this one. Don't look at me setting it to a sharp. You have created a title before and the thumbnail ideas. So we set everything well. So now it will do it. So it says A/B thumbnail warning, and YouTube will recommend the video more. So understand? So when you put it, you set it, you save it. So I hope it helps a lot too, because I do it a lot in my videos. I do it in most of my videos. I even do this A and B, so YouTube can recommend my video. But this video long, this video long, chat. If you are silent for the video, even as it's long, I hope you learn from it, chat. So I hope you find this video helpful. I didn't know. So that's how to set 3 title and 3 thumbnail for your video. So I hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my playlist as usual. Hi, I'm Bolu Vibes. Bye bye.